What's good, guys? My name is Oleg Nikitin and you are watching No Limit Son. This is the second vlog on my channel. We are in the city of Voronezh and today my girlfriend Katya is shooting a wedding. She's a wedding photographer. And today I'd like to talk about the communication between photographer and videographer during the wedding. Let's go. I prefer to work with my fellow photographers or videographers, but if you meet for the first time, I'd like you to present yourself in an interesting way so the person can remember your name. Here's a video I made about my name and you can make the same presentation for yourself, so your name will be easier to memorize. I want you to remember, guys, that we're not only the photographers and videographers, we're also psychologists and we make the atmosphere of a wedding. So there is no time for, jarring around and talking in a very harsh way to your colleague. So first of all, remember that the atmosphere depends on you. Okay, guys, we are now in the room of bride and groom. Katya is shooting the bride's morning and they are in the bathroom and I'm right here shooting my vlog. So I'd like to talk about 3 ways you can interact with photographer or videographer. The first way is being friends and shooting kind of the same shots. So you stand close to each other and you shoot kind of the same video and photos. The second way is that you shoot one by one. So you try to for a minute you shoot your part, then for a minute the photographer shoots his part. And there is a third way, I guess it's the worst way, when you mess around with each other and you take 10 minutes for yourself and the photographer is somewhere else. And then the photographer asks you to go away for 10 minutes and makes his own job. I prefer the first way, being friends, because it makes the photos and video much better. Sorry for the audio, because I have moved to the bathroom. Katya just finished shooting right here and now they're shooting in the room itself. So it's important to remember that during the preparation time you can switch your tasks. So first of all, you can shoot some details, some earrings, the normal rings, etc., while the photographer is shooting the makeup being made, and then you can switch. This allows to stick to the schedule better, and that is why I prefer doing so. Okay, folks, we just finished the bride preparations. Now it's about the groom. Today's videographer, his name is Grisha. Here's the link to his Instagram, and they're communicating pretty nice with Katya and getting some awesome shots. Now it's time for the ceremony. We're not getting inside yet, but there is a very important point in shooting a ceremony. Ask photographer not to be in the way of your camera during the ceremony, because no one wants in their wedding video the back of a photographer during the shots. Okay, folks, we came to Ramoin. It's a small town near Voronezh, and now the guys are planning to shoot the small, walk around. So yeah, Alina, say hi to my subscribers. Okay, so we'll have having about 20 to 30 minutes to shoot all of the shots we have. So right now it's a pretty tough time for those guys. Actually, this is one of the first times that I'm being not a main videographer on the wedding, so I'm really enjoying this process because I'm just hanging around looking for some shots and telling you guys how it's going on. The guys are trying something new, shooting through this fence and kind of stealing the shots from each other. Okay, it's now for the ceremony itself. In the morning it was more of an official part and now it's the bright and beautiful part. So let's find out how the guys are working right there. Okay guys, the reception party has just started and it's time for me to edit this episode. This was Oleg Nikitin and No Limit Song. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video guys. Bye.